Hello guys, welcome back to another session. First of all, Jai Hind all of you. This is Amardeep and very welcome to all of you. Now today's session is most important. I know uh, I regular repeat this line. Ki, I mean that is today's session is most important because this is reality, guys. Yes, every single session is most important. Every day, every single session is the one of the most important and useful session. Okay, so listen to it very carefully. See this: live in partner. Now protected against domestic cruelty. What Supreme Court said: the Supreme Court has ruled that women in live-in relationship can be protected under Section 498A of the Indian Penal Code, replaced by Section 85 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Justice Sanjay Karola and N. Kositwar Singh recognized that women facing domestic cruelty deserve protection under criminal law. The couple must intend to marry for this to apply. Marry for this to apply, and the burden of proof lies on the accused. Oh, भाई साहब. Now see this football. Cap Verde World Cup heroes Vazindaha welcomed by hug crowd ahead of joining new club. Wazinha, Cap Verde's goalkeeper, who had become the breakout sections of the 2026 FIFA World Cup, was welcomed by hug crowds as he arrived in Chile, to join Colo Colo, the country's most successful club. The 40 years old signing had been announced on July 24, but the move had been blessed by several issues since even. Oh, hi, sir. Now see this entertainment. We not more entertainment. Okay, just we focus on important topic. I mean, also interesting topic is 64th na 64. Now see this: Bakipur, a message to Modi saw how Prashant Kishore is reading by poll win. Jan Suraj founder Prashant Kishore, after winning the Bankipur by poll, emphasized that the victory was a message to the BJP's central leadership to prioritize Bihar development over political power. He urged the BJP to appoint a capable, honesty, and clean chief minister and create a special development program for the state. Now see this: why do millions join the Kavar Yatra? Its origin, myths, and social drivers. The Kavar Yatra, a Hindu pilgrimage in Savan, has gained immense popularity in North India. Devotees known as Kavariyas carry Ganga water to Shiva temple following the legend of Lord Shiva. The yatra dates back to the 700s 1700s, but has become more popular due to improved connectivity and infrastructure. Wow, that's great. Now See this. Aarti mother defends rupees 40 lakhs maintenance demand for from Ravi Mohan. There are Davids. Oh bhai sir, the row over Ravi Mohan and Aarti Ravi's separation seems far from over. Now her mother, producer Sujatha Vijay Kumar has stepped forward to address the raw over recent reports. The Aarti demanded rupees 40 lakh per month from the actor, maintaining that Aarti did not seek the money for herself. Sujata pointed out that Ravi walked out. Chance Vihar CM. Yes. Prashant Kishori says Bakipur result send message to BJP. Jan Suraj founder Prashant Kishori celebrate a thumping victory in the Bakipur assembly by poll. The over 64,000 votes. He sees this as a message from the people of Bihar to the BJP central leadership to appoint a good chief minister who can address key issues like education, job creation, and migration. Kishore urged that BJP to prioritize Bihar's development ahead of the Lok Sabha elections. See this fashion. Meet John Galliano, the man at the center of Met Gala 2027 theme. Oh bhai sahab, 2027. The Met Gala 2022 will honor John Galliano with an exhibit titled John Galliano Horizon. The exhibit will address his conversational past and explore his creative proceed. This mistake Galliano, the third living desire to have a dedicated costume institute exhibition. Anna Wintour has met with JV's leaders to address any potential issue with the event. Alright, sir. Now let's go. Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad ABVP on Monday expands sports to students. Movement against illegal question paper leaks in requirement examination conducted by the Jharkhand, Bihar, Karnataka and Punjab Public Service Commission. It also announced it would submit a comprehensive set of recommendations to the high-powered committee led by Infosys co-founder Nandan Nilekani. ABVP flags paper leaks in three opposition states. Bihar back reform movements. Why a bill? See this. Why a bill reform a premier Indian institute has targeted criticism. The Indian Statistical Institute Bill 2026 has been introduced in the Lok Sabha to change the governance structure of the institute. The draft version faced criticism for giving the center more control and not consulting faculty and students. The bill aims to make the institute a statutory body corporate with a board of governance appointed by the center. Okay. Okay, understood. Artist Satish Gujral self-portrait in is now of rupees 5 stamps. Oh, why sir? See Trump. After US Japan intervention, how a stronger yen might affect Indian market. The US and Japan have intervened in the Japanese currency market to stabilize the yen against the US dollar and prevent its weakening from affecting Indian markets. This joint action prompted by the yen's 40-year low in July also helps manage market expansion expectations expectations and protected the US dollar indians with a large exposure to the yen makes see an impact in its market. Why, sir? Now let me explain this Mahesh Bhatt on target event behind Saran's. I was very closely exposed to that. Mahesh Bhatt and Anupam Kher came together for Saran's, a 1984 classic inspired by the death of U.C. Krishnamurti son. The story follows an elderly couple dealing with the loss of their only son. The film was greenlit by Rajashree Productions without a script and was based on Bhatt functions with that. Oh my sir. What is this? I can't not. I can. I do. I will. I do. Just I do. Yes. I thought I feared failure. I was really avoid of disappointing people. The fear of failure and pressure to meet expectations can be paralyzing for professionals, stemming from a need for validation and fear of disappointing others. This fear is linked to childhood experiences can manifest as perfectism, imposter syndrome, and fear of littling other down. Oh, why, sir? That's great. Not great, not great. Okay. See this, guys. I think you all enjoyed this session, full session. Okay. Okay, now I just end this session, then I only read this, I share another session. So guys, telling me on comment section how is today's session and telling me properly what is the man. Okay. Okay, see you another session another day. तब तक के लिए bye bye टाटा. See you another session. Telling me on comment section. Bye bye टाटा. Again, जय हिंद जय भारत.